Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down investing basics to help you level up your game. Today's video is all about how to enable margin on Robinhood. If you're new to trading or just curious about borrowing money to boost your buys, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what's margin trading? It's like getting a loan from your broker to buy more stocks than you could with your own cash. On Robinhood, this can supercharge your portfolio. But remember, it's a double-edged sword. It can amplify gains and losses. So, only proceed if you're ready for the risks. To get started, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up and verified. Open the app and head to your account profile. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Tap on Account or Settings and look for the Investing or Margin Investing section. Here, you'll see an option to enable margin trading. Before you click that, Robinhood might ask you to review some details, like your eligibility based on your account age, deposit history, and trading experience. Once you're in, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. This includes understanding the interest rates on borrowed funds and the potential for margin calls if your investments drop. After agreeing, submit your request. Robinhood will review it, which might take a day or two. You'll get a notification once it's approved. A quick word of caution. Margin trading isn't for everyone. It involves borrowing costs and the risk of losing more than you invested. Always start small, keep an eye on your account, and consider consulting a financial advisor. If you're just beginning, stick to cash accounts until you're confident. There you have it. That's how you enable margin on Robinhood. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. See you in the next video.